Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect LM Studio to N8N. Just follow these steps so you can set up your workflow and get LM Studio responding inside N8N. First, open your browser and search for N8N. Create an account or log in with your existing one. Once you're on the home page, click Create Workflow. Then click Add First Step and search for OpenAI Chat Model. Select it to add the node. Click on Credentials, then choose Create New Credential. You'll need to fill in two fields, your API key and your base URL. Now open a new tab and go to the OpenAI platform. Make sure you're logged in. Click the gear icon at the top, then select API keys. Click Create New Secret Key, enter a name. Choose a project from the drop-down, then click Create Secret Key. Copy the generated key. Next, open LM Studio. Click Developer and copy the base URL shown at the top. Go back to N8N and paste your base URL into the base URL field, then paste your API key. Click Save. To make sure your workflow runs properly, you need to add a trigger node. Click the plus icon, search for Manual Trigger, and click it. Place it at the beginning of your workflow and connect it to your OpenAI Chat Model node. Next, double-click your chat model node. Enable Make Chat Public. Enter an initial message, then click Test Chat. Now click Execute Workflow. Your workflow will run, and you'll see the response from LM Studio in the output of your OpenAI node. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect LM Studio to N8N anytime.